Hi guys, it's Nathan. We're doing Video Journal 4 for the 30-second broadcast TV or broadcast radio commercial. Uh, for this lovely video journal assignment, I chose the Doritos Loaded TV commercial.
Tyler, have you tried these Doritos Loaded yet?
What? I haven't even seen these before.
Well,
What do you think?
The nacho cheese snack for the bold. Doritos Loaded. Get them at 7-Eleven and only 7-Eleven.
I mean, it was kind of a mix between like a Doritos and 7-Eleven commercial, but I'm all focused on just the Doritos aspect of it. I think it was more for pleasure, like page 70, because it was definitely a people interest. It, it was kind of a laughing one, I mean, you couldn't not laugh at something like that. It was definitely enlightenment because it taught you about the new Doritos logo, or what is it called again? Holy cow. The Doritos Loaded. I keep saying Doritos Locos like it's Taco Bell. Well, you know what I mean. The allurement and the sensation. I liked it because I mean when he took the bite, that's when everything, all the music and all the lights and stuff started happening, trying to signify that eating those is kind of like a party in your mouth. So I feel like it met more of the pleasure more than the simple, because I mean it wasn't safety, it wasn't indulgence. Well, kind of, maybe indulgence. Looks maybe. I don't think performance or economy. God, I can't talk. So I think it fit more of the pleasure side of it. Thank you. I'll be all signing out.